Whoa, what you gonna do about that, huh?
Whoosh.
Complain, complain, complain. Complain, complain, complain. I knew you were complaining. Just making a joke about it. Just making a joke. Oh, really? No, you may not back up yet. You may not back up yet. No, that don't work. Just trying to start riding off. Okay? We're almost done. Whoop, maybe not.
Dirty?
Oh, yeah. Got some pieces of dirt up there. I know. Let me get the other side of you. Oh, no. But no room to move. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, it's annoying. There you go. See, that wasn't so bad.
I can see the whites of her eyes.
So bad. See, that wasn't so bad now, was it? Alrighty. Na. I said knock it off. I said knock it off. No backstabbing. You can say all the dirty ones you want. Nope, no. That's how you backstabbing. I knew you were backstabbing. No more of that behind my back. So you do to my face, okay. At least I know where you're coming from. Jeez, Paul.
Ay.
Oh, give me the look. Give me the look right back. Yes, I can. I can give you the look right back. Yes, I can. Back. Yes, you were. You were too back. Sorry to smash your face there. You'll forgive me? Honest. She gives her ears. It's like, oh,
Hey.
yeah.
Hey. That's not funny. No pinning me against the wall. You turd.
No, she is. Miss Irish, you're a turd today. You're a real turd today. Yeah, you're a real turd today. Is that because you want to be? Okay.